Hey, so I'm going to make a quick video here. I've had a couple people ask me how I get my seams so clean, especially when they're at an angle. So basically when I'm working on stuff, I'll just have a little scrap piece laying around and I'll cut that, and that's my test piece to see the angle I should be cutting something, and then if that matches up at the angle that I need, then I just mimic that same cut on the final piece. But if it's not enough, you just try again. This, all you're doing is just matching it up, see if you get the angle that you need. So then once you do have your proper angle, then you'll just take your piece and you want to put your contact cement all the way to the edge, because the outer edge is the most important part, because that's the part that you see, obviously. So when you're putting your glue on, this will be the outside of the piece. I like to start from the inside and drag it out, like right to the edge, like that. You'll see it kind of, there we go, you'll see it kind of spiderweb back a little bit. See it like string off the edge. That's usually what I look for. And then you just make sure you get that whole entire edge, because the most important part is the very edge, because that's where your seam line is going to be. So then once you get both pieces glued up and that dries, I already glued up these pieces, you'll want to touch. You don't need to exactly match them up. You want to touch the seam first and just eyeball it and slowly go across. And then see, now the seam's fully stuck together, and then from there you just close it up, and then you push it together, you push on it a little bit all the way down it, and then now you got your seam. And you can sand it a little bit, you can put some quick seal or whatever you want to put on it to hide that seam. But as far as that goes, just Plasti Dip or Mod Podge over that and you wouldn't be able to really see that there's a gap there.